All right, so the first part of this video is going to be on aller plus the infinitive. The aller plus the infinitive is called the future proche, and it's on page 66 in your book. This is how you conjugate aller. It's je vais, tu vas, il, elle, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. And this means to go. When you combine aller plus infinitive, which is the verb that is not conjugated, it means I am going to go. So if you look here in the first one, it says je vais au ciné, and that says I go to the cinema. But here it says je vais aller au cinéma, and that makes it the future proche, and it means I'm going to go to the movies. Again, here it says je vais à l'église, but if you add it, the infinitive of aller, which is this is the infinitive, the verb that is not conjugated, je vais aller à l'église means I'm going to go to church, and je vais aller au cinéma means I'm going to go to the movies. So you have aller, which is conjugated, and then aller not conjugated to say I'm going to go. You can use this with other verbs as well. You say je mange, which means I eat, and if you are hungry and you want to say I'm going to eat, you say je vais manger. The next one is je nage, I swim, and then if you add aller, you have je vais nager. So here manger and nager are the infinitive. Here you have je fais mes devoirs, and that says I do my homework. Je vais faire mes devoirs, that means I'm going to do my homework. So again, you have faire here, which is the infinitive. J'ai soif means I'm thirsty. Je vais avoir soif means I'm going to be thirsty. So avoir and faire are the infinitive. Okay, write down two things that you are going to do this weekend. So just jot it down on a piece of paper or in a notability file. Je vais chanter or je vais nager. The next thing we're going to learn is venir de. Venir de. Venir by itself means to come, and then venir de means I just did something. So here's how you conjugate it. Je viens, tu viens, il, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, il, elle vient. So that means without the de after it, it just means I come. All right, these are two other verbs that are conjugated like venir. Devenir, which means to come, and revenir. So it's exactly the same. You just add the de and the re to the front of the verb. Je viens de chanter means I just was singing. Je viens d'aller au cinéma. I just went to the movies. So you can see you have vient plus de and then an infinitive, and it changes the meaning of the verb. Again, here you have je viens de plus the infinitive. Okay, so here you fill in the blank with the verb conjugated in the present tense. You can write this down on a separate sheet of paper or screenshot it and put it into a notability file. And the last thing that I'm going to ask you to do is to write 3 sentences with venir de. So tomorrow we'll come in, you'll go over your homework, and then I'm going to give you a feedback assessment, seeing that you know how to conjugate these two verbs and that you know what venir does, it means in aller plus the infinitive. So just a heads up, hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck.